Moving on, following controversy, Delhi University has rejected a proposal to include Manusmriti in its LLB syllabus. The Faculty of Law had sought approval to revise the curriculum for first and third year students, introducing 2 readings on Manusmriti. This decision, which was initially approved by the course committee, aimed to align with India's NEP 2020 to incorporate Indian perspectives into legal education. The proposal faced strong opposition from the Social Democratic Teachers Front, or SDTEF, who argued that the Manusmriti promotes regressive views on women's education as well as marginalized communities. They urged Vice Chancellor Yogesh Singh to withdraw the proposal, citing concerns about its alignment with progressive educational values. Delhi University Vice Chancellor Professor Yogesh Singh has announced that the proposal to include Manusmriti in the LLB curriculum has been rejected.
आज फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ का एक प्रपोजल दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय को आया जिसमें उन्होंने ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस 1 एक कोर्स है और उसमें थोड़े से चेंजेस किए और एक जो चेंज था वो था मेधातिथि कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टेट एंड लॉ और इसको पढ़ाने के लिए 2 सजेस्टिव टेक्स्ट उन्होंने दिए। पहला था मनुस्मृति विद मनुभाष्य और दूसरा था कमेंट्री ऑफ मनुस्मृति। तो ये दोनों टेक्स्ट थे। इसको और ये जो अमेंडमेंट उन्होंने करिकुलम में किया इसको दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय ने रिजेक्ट किया। ऐसा कुछ भी दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय में नहीं पढ़ाया जाएगा। तो फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ के प्रपोजल को काफी विचार के बाद में रिजेक्ट कर दिया विश्वविद्यालय ने।
Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan confirmed that there was no formal endorsement of the proposal by the Academic Council, and the Vice Chancellor assured that the administration remains committed to the principles of Constitution.
Yesterday, some information come to us, some matter arise. There was some information. Manusmriti will be part of law faculty course. I have inquired. I have talked to Delhi University Vice Chancellor, and he assured me some law faculty member have proposed some changes in their jurisprudence chapter. But when the proposal came in front of Delhi University administration, today, in fact, today there is a academic council meeting. There is no endorsement of any such proposal in the proper authentic body of academic council. Yesterday only, Vice Chancellor rejected that proposal. We all are committed to our constitution. We all are committed to our futuristic look, futuristic approach. Government is committed to uphold the true spirit and letter of constitution. There is no question arising to include any controversial portion of any script. Yesterday only Delhi University Vice Chancellor has clarified that.